Why do 85% of phones refuse to turn on? Let's find out. Step 1. Force restart. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons for 10, 15 seconds. Boom! Magic fingers. Still nothing? Step 2. Charge it up. Plug your phone into a charger and leave it for at least 15 minutes. Sometimes it just needs a little juice. No luck? Step 3. Check for physical damage. If your phone looks like it took a tumble, it's best not to turn it back on. Still stuck? Step 4. Seek professional help. No shame in letting the pros handle it. And that's how you fix a phone that won't turn on. Let us know in the comments if this worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more essential hacks.